Hello friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out this 3D LED wall clock. This features a calendar, temperature, alarm, time. It's basically a night light as well, 24-hour time, military time or regular. And then the light self-dims, I believe. Okay, so in the box we have a little user manual. And have a remote as well. Apparatus for hanging your fan. Put it on the wall or probably just set it up on the desk. And it's got a nice long plug in here. And this is going to run off of, looks like a USB. Hopefully it has an adapter in here, but we'll see. Don't see an adapter. That's all right. Most households have USB power hookups everywhere anyways now. So here it is. Nice big letters here and little temperature setting. I believe I have a USB cord here I can hook up real quick, and I do like to show the length of this cord just in case. So that's 6 feet. So wow. It's like the longest cord I've ever seen on a. This is like a 12-foot cord here. That's crazy. But definitely, I mean, you're gonna have enough room to get to wherever you need to go with this. Okay, I'm gonna plug in this real quick and see how it works, and then we'll get to the install. So what you want to do is just plug this into the bottom. Should have just one way that this can go in there. Just like that. So turn my light off here. It's like flashing. 12 o'clock. We have the remote here. Take the little battery cover out of there, and then we can do the brightness on the clock. So there's like really dim for nighttime. So that's kind of nice because we have a clock currently in our bedroom, and even on dim it's like really bright. But this one seems like super dim, which is cool. So there's regular. And off, so you could turn it completely off if you want. There's a temperature in Celsius, I believe. I don't know if you can change it to the clock settings and all that on there as well. Clock. Okay. Let's go temperature, maybe. I don't know if I can change it to Celsius or not. Oh yeah, 60, just hit the temperature twice, so 64 degrees. So yeah, pretty handy. I like how it beeps every time, just to let you know that it's like recognizing that you're pushing the button there. I'll install this on the wall real quick and show you guys how to do that. Okay friends, so this wall clock can be mounted pretty much any way you want. It comes with a couple of screw holes or sticky tape with the little hooks on there, and those can just be put on the back, or it can just sit there on your desk. Also has on the back, it has a set and plus and minus button. If you wanted to set the clock with that, you just press it. It'll start out with the time and then go date and then temperature and all that stuff. Or not temperature, but time and date. But if you just want to use the handy dandy little remote here. And then if we want to set the clock, we just hit the clock button right here. Let's go to 12. Okay, I want to change it. This goes on military time. If I want to go to, say it's 11 o'clock, so 2300. Oh, it's on not military time. Okay, PM. So 2300 PM. You can change it to 2400 military time too if you want. So 11, and then hit over, and that's going to bring it up, and then we can go down to 11:07, and then hit clock again, and then it's going to go 1 and 1. So this is going to be the date. So March, April 7th, and then clock again, and then it's going to go 2023 clock, and there we go. And we want to check out our brightness and our temperature and things like that. We can change it with this. So temperature, you want to see the temperature, just press that, 21 degrees Celsius, and you press it again, it'll give you the Fahrenheit. So 70 degrees, and then brightness. That's nice. It feels like super dim and then like pretty bright. So we had another wall clock before, and it was so bright, even on dim, that it was like we couldn't really sleep. But this one really, and you can turn it off also, but that one really gets really dim. So that's kind of nice. I like just being able to barely have enough light. It still puts out a lot of light. I mean, when all the lights are off and everything like that, you can still see it. But I like how it beeps every time too, so you can kind of like hear that it's changing and everything. And then if you want to set your alarm, same thing. Just press the alarm button, go whatever time you want, and then hit the alarm, press up, back, on, down for on, up is off, and then set it for whatever time you want. Okay, 6 o'clock, and then goes back to the regular time. Okay, my friends, so yes, pretty cool. And if you wanted to mount this on your wall, like I said, it has these little sticky pads. You can just stick these, take off the back portion, and put that right on the wall. And then with these little hooks, and then it would fit right up underneath there. Same thing with the screws. You could screw those into the wall as well, or just set it on your desk, just like, or on your headboard or whatever, just like that. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time.